Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday, yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. This week, we're coming to you from Midleton. In this estate, we've got some beautiful detached houses, but also with big potential. In this home, we had a big back garden with a very dark, small kitchen area. Sigma Homes sprinkled their magic of design, came in, got a load of demolition work, dug foundations. Will we take a look? Come on. Before I show you around, let's take a look at this art piece. Our clients bought this before they engaged with Sigma Homes, and a lot of the interiors in this home has been built around this piece. This has turned out really well. Our clients wanted a kitchen that was super modern, but it had to be practical for a young, busy family. It's not just this light I love about the fridge. It's this easy access door you can grab and go, as opposed to having to open the whole door, and that really blocks your laneway into your kitchen. But I do like the light. So behind here, we've got a coffee dock station, but what I'm interested in is this material. This is a concrete effect, but it's made out of timber, and it really looks well. It gives that kitchen that kind of a modern age look. The space from the kitchen to its island, it worked really well. These dark granite tops sitting right on top of that white modern counters work really well, with very cleverly designed LED strips, kind of giving you that magic feeling. You might have heard about the corker, but maybe you just haven't seen it in use yet. It's very simple. Just 2 clicks, and before you know it, you're covered in steam. And right beside the kitchen, we've got our movie room, creating a big family connection. After a busy week, there's nothing like sitting back and watching something really interesting. Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday, yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes, another project. Not that guy again. Sitting here, I'm really getting a sense what the homeowners are going to enjoy. I love those big tall windows, and especially that TV wall with that window over it, allowing you privacy for the telly, but still allowing that sunlight to spill over the top. This is really nice. Now that I've got to spend quality time in this home, it takes me right back to our design team and all the hard work they put in. Our construction team, the passion these guys have, it really lets me see that Sigma Homes is moving in the right direction.